Hello, my name is Bridgid O'Connell, and I will be speaking to you all today about why I think the Pacific lamprey, Entosphenus tridentatus, would be a good aquaculture species.
Like I previously stated, the scientific name for the Pacific lamprey is Entosphenus tridentatus. Lampreys are part of an ancient superclass of jawless fish called Ignatha. They evolved over 450 million years ago, which makes them one of the oldest lineages in the world. They are even older than dinosaurs and trees. The Pacific lamprey is native to the North Pacific coast from Alaska to California and across the Bering Sea to Russia and Japan. They are also anadromous, which means that they weir in freshwater before migrating to the ocean to grow, and then return to freshwater to spawn. The adult Pacific lampreys can range from 13 to 33 inches in length and up to 1 pound. The Pacific lamprey is ecologically significant in many ways. To start, lampreys are considered keystone species, which is a species that others depend on in an ecosystem to live, and if it was removed, it would change drastically. They are preyed upon by species such as shorebirds, sea otters, and harbor seals. Pacific lampreys are also known for their nutrient cycling. After a lamprey spawns and dies, the nutrients in their bodies are broken down and recycled in the stream food chain. The nutrients support the growth of future lampreys as well as salmon and other native species. Lastly, the Pacific lamprey has been harvested for many generations by Native American tribes on the West Coast for subsistence, medicinal, religious, food, and spiritual reasons.
There are several reasons why it is a good idea to aquaculture the Pacific lamprey. First off, for conservation reasons. The population of this species has greatly decreased due to human infrastructure, such as damming rivers, channelization, and declines in river quality. It has also decreased because of overfishing, because of traditional fishing gears, such as pots and fake nets, target lampreys during their upstream migration, which cause mortality. This species is also necessary for tribal communities. In fact, they were the first people to express concern in the population decline. Lastly, the Pacific lamprey would be a good species to aquaculture because of research purposes. Studies have already shown that they have a high sensitivity and exposure to climate change, and learning more will help us develop more conservation and management strategies for the species.
Pacific lamprey production can be accomplished via numerous means in terms of facility, tank space, and water source, with a large variety of scales. In many cases, existing facilities used for hatchery production and research purposes can be reused for lamprey production successfully with some fine-tuning and adjustments to achieve the best results for holding, culturing, and rearing. My proposed aquaculture design is flow-through outside tanks. Each tank can hold up to 2,000 to 3,250 liters of water and up to 2,000 adults. It will use about 1,666 liters per minute of flow-through river water and or well water when all tanks are in use. All water is returned to the river. There will also be portable storage building with plumbing and electricity that is used for spawning, egg incubation, early rearing, and research.
There have been several case studies about the aquaculture of the Pacific lamprey, such as at the Confederated Tribes of the Umatilla Indian Reservation. Their lamprey work has focused on holding adults for propagation, translocation, research on early life stages, and eventual lamprey outplanting. At the Ishikawa Prefectural University, they initiated the Arctic Lamprey Propagation Project in 2015. This program obtains larvae for rearing experiments in outplanting supplementation. Lastly, at Nuns Creek Hatchery, approximately 1,000 large sea lamprey larvae were moved to large wasteways for research purposes.
In conclusion, the Pacific lamprey is a valuable and ecologically significant species that is currently facing population declines due to human activities. The proposed aquaculture design can play a vital role in conserving and managing this species and ensuring its survival. Aquaculture can also provide opportunities for research on the species' sensitivity to climate change. With the help of aquaculture and conservation efforts, we can ensure that the Pacific lamprey continues to play its important role in the ecosystem and provide cultural and subsistence benefits to Native American tribes.
These are my citations. Thank you for watching.